I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to enable biometric login on your Claro 2026, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open Settings. Navigate to the main menu on your Claro 2026 and select the Settings app. This is where you can adjust various features of your device. Step 2. Select Security. In the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Security. This section contains options for managing your device's security features. Step 3. Choose Biometric Data. Within the Security menu, look for Biometric Data or Biometrics. This is where you can set up fingerprint or facial recognition. Step 4. Register your fingerprint. Follow the prompts to register your fingerprint. Make sure to lift and place your finger multiple times to capture it accurately. If your finger is too wet or dirty, it may not register properly. Step 5. Enable biometric login. Once your fingerprint is registered, go back to the Security menu and toggle on the biometric login option. This will allow you to unlock your device using your fingerprint. Now you're all set to use biometric login on your Claro 2026. Enjoy the convenience and security it brings. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.